episode, I have a little spiel about benefit of the doubt that I think is lost on this day and age. Because I think a lot of people,
100%.
things get taken the wrong way. Almost on purpose, you did not mute. You thought you muted, but you turned your video off instead.
You turned your video off and not
Yep. Well, good thing we can edit that shit. But, I apologize for
Nope,
interrupting your point.
It's staying forever. Staying forever.
Yeah, I almost don't want to remove that.
No, but